Yo, what's going on? My name is Jose, and today I wanted to talk about, give you two little tips basically on when you want to implement a change in your life or you want to start doing something, but it might seem easier said than done, right? And so, if we are coming from that frame of things are easier said than done, I think we're already coming from a place of resistance. You already feel a block. You already feel like you can't do it or that it's too challenging, right? So when we're feeling like this about something new that we want to do, two little tips. One is basically work on your mindset first. So if we have the right mindset, it's gonna get, chances are we're gonna do things better. It's gonna be easier. It's gonna flow more because our mindset has to be accepting of inviting new things into our life, to invite change basically. So the way we work on our mindset is something that has worked for me in the past is starting your day feeling accomplished. Do something that makes you feel good about yourself, that gives you confidence, so that you can carry with you, you'll carry that with you throughout the rest of the day. And not only throughout the rest of the day, but also from day to day. And then next thing you know, if you're doing it for a long time, 3 months, right? You'll look back 3 months and you'll be like, wow, that was me then and this is me now, right? So basically, little by little, you want to start doing things that are going to shift your mindset so that your mind isn't resisting change. And one way we could do this is do anything that suits you, right? But basically in the morning, take at least 15 minutes. It doesn't have to be an hour or anything, but go for a run, do yoga, do a breathing exercise, do meditation, learn a skill. Just do something that is gonna help you feel accomplished. And that way your mind starts expanding. You're able to see that you can implement new things in your life. And most importantly, it's gonna get you in this flow, in this productive flow. You want to build the upward spiral. The second thing is basically take your time. Give it time. Life is it's a progression, right? It's a progress. You start off as a baby, then you're a toddler, and then you're a child, and then you're a teenager, an adult, right? So there's stages for everything. So don't expect results overnight. Allow yourself the time to get to where you're at. So don't think so much of the end goal. Instead, focus on the first step that you need. Focus on the first step. There might be 10 steps, right? But don't worry about the 10 steps. Don't look at the 10th step, because then you're gonna feel like you're drowning. You're gonna be like, oh my God, this is so much. I'm overwhelmed. I don't think I could do it, right? But if we take that first step, then we accomplish that, then we're gonna start feeling a little bit better about ourselves. We're gonna start feeling good and like, okay, if I did the first step, I could definitely do the second step, right? So just be easy on yourself. Focus on one step at a time. Don't expect the end result to be here right away. And I guess as a bonus, this is the third one. It's fake it till you make it. And this doesn't mean be a fake person. That's something else. But basically, fake it till you make it is gonna get you, because if we're coming from a place where we're resisting change or we're like a little bit iffy about doing something, then fake it till you make it is a higher vibration. So we're coming from a place of resistance, we're here, but fake it till you make it is actually here. It's at a higher level, a higher vibration, because it's gonna get you to, once again, it's all about the mindset. So your mindset is gonna be, let's say you want to be a business owner. It's going to be, I'm already a business owner, even if you don't have your first customer, right? But if you feel that way, you feel more entitled, you have more, you feel more authority, you feel more confident, and that in itself is going to get you to start moving, and instead of just staying in a procrastination mode. So I hope these 3 tips help. Started with 2, but did a little bonus one. And as always, much love. Peace. Till next time.